Hello everyone, Maths Grade 3 First Term 21-22 Chapter 1 Lesson 2 Part 1 Bar Graph. Bar graph. After we collect our data, we need to organize it in a table to make it easy to let us understand it. Now, to draw this bar graph, first of all, make your title, horizontal axis, vertical axis, scale of numbers. We have a scale of 1 or a scale of 2 or a scale of 5 or a scale of 10. After we draw our bar graph, we will answer any question about this data. Now let's do an exercise about representing data using bar graph. We have this data organized in a table like this. We have rows and columns, and our title is My Favorite Sport. We have an empty grid. First of all, write this title on this grid, My Favorite Sport. Second, we will write our horizontal X, which is the first row, which is called sport. We draw our first X, which is horizontal X, and write on it the word sport, and label each sport on this line, in this X, and make sure that to make a space between each sport and another sport, like this. We will write down here football and make a space and write swimming and make a space and write baseball and make a space and write basketball and make a space, then write tennis and make a space. On our vertical X, it will be the second row, which is number of kids, and write down here number of kids. And we have here the scale of what? If you notice this numbers, we have 9, 7, 3, 6, and 5. We have no sequence, no pattern. Then this number pattern, this number scale will be by 1. We'll label this X by 1, beginning from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we will go to represent this data on this grid. Now, first sport, which is football. We have how many kids? We have here 9 kids like football. Then we go at this lattice and point to football and put our finger here and up until we reach 9. Then put a line using your pencil. Then using your ruler and pencil, draw this bar like this. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have swimming here. 7 kids like swimming. Then go to our lattice and put your finger at swimming and go up until you reach 7. Then put a mark here with using your pencil. Then using your ruler, draw this bar. Okay. Next one, which is baseball. We have 3 kids love it. Then we will go to our lattice here, baseball, up using your finger, up until you reach 3. Using your pencil, draw a line, and using your ruler, draw this bar. And next one, which is basketball. We have 6 pupils, 6 kids love basketball. Then go to our lattice and put your finger here and up until you reach 6. With your pencil, put a mark here, then using your ruler, draw this bar. And the last one, which is tennis. 5 kids love it. Okay, then go to our lattice. Put your finger here and up until you reach 5. Put a mark here using your pencil, then using your ruler, draw this bar. After we finishing drawing these bars, using your color, your colors, to color these bars like this. Your favorite color. Okay, then we finished our bars. Good job. Next exercise, we want to present the following data using a bar graph. A new table with a new title, which is My Favorite Food. First of all, go to our lets and write your title, which is my favorite food. Then using your data here, first X, which is horizontal X, called food. Then label it by food and make a space. Make sure that you make a space between each food and another food on this X. Yes, make a space here, then write down pizza. Make a space here and write down here pineapple. Make a space here and write down here cake. Make a space here and write down here carrot. Make a space here and write down here sandwich. Next one, another X, which is number of friends. On vertical X, which is number of friends, we will note that we have numbers 18, 6, 12, 8, and 14. And all of these numbers are even numbers. Then we will go by what? What scale I will use here? Yes, good job. It will be scale by 2. Then I will write down here scale by 2, beginning from 0 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Now we fill our x's here, our horizontal x is food, and vertical x, which is number of friends. Then we will represent this data on this grid. First of all, we have pizza, number of friends who like pizza, which is 18. Go to pizza on this grid and put your finger here and up, up, up until you reach 18. Then draw your bar. Next one, which is pineapple. Put your finger here, which is 6. 6 friends like pineapple. In our grid, it will be here. Put your finger here and up, up, up until you reach 6. Then draw your bar. Next one, which is cake. We have 12 friends like cake. Then put your finger here on this grid. Then up, up, up until you reach 12. Then draw your bar. Next one, which is carrot. We have 8 friends like carrot. Then put your finger here on carrot and up, up, up until you reach 8. Then draw your bar. And the last one, which is sandwich, we have 14 kids like sandwich. Then put your finger here and up, up, up until you reach 14. Then draw your bar. After you finish drawing your bars, you color it. Thank you. Good job. Another exercise, we want to present the following data using bar graph. We have a table of a title, our family siblings. Now, our family siblings mean, which is if you have sister, no sister or brothers, or only sisters, or only brothers, or both of them, sister and brothers. This is the meaning of siblings. Now we have our empty grid. First of all, write your title here, our family siblings. Write down it using your pencil. Then we have an empty grid without any drawn X. Then we will use our pencil and ruler to draw our X. Then we use our pencil to put this point here. Then using our ruler to draw the horizontal X, which is called types of siblings. Now, using your ruler again to draw our vertical X from this point, which is called number of people who have these siblings. Now, using your ruler vertically and draw this X, and which is called number of people. Now, one more time. After we draw our X, go and write the data on it. Okay, we have no sister or brother, and make a space, and only sisters, and make a space, and only brother, and make a space, and both of them sister and brothers. Okay, in this horizontal X, and on our vertical X we have here, what is the scale here? We have 20, 35, 15, and 50. If you notice that we have a scale of, good job, scale of 5, good job, beginning from 0 Write down your scale of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Good job. Now let's go to draw our bar graph. First one here, first column, no sister or brothers. We have 20 people. Okay, yes, no sister or brothers. Put your finger here on no sister or brother and up until you reach 20. Then draw your bar. Next one, we have only sisters. Okay, we have 35. Put your finger here on only sisters on your graph. Then up until you reach 35. Then draw your bar. Next one, we have only brothers. We have 15 people. Yes. Then on this grid, only brother up until you reach 15. Then draw your bar. And the last one, we have both of them, sisters and brothers. Then put your finger here on sister and brothers. Then up until you reach 50. Then draw your bar. After you finished your drawing, you color these bars. And you are now finished. Thank you. Good job. Last exercise here represents the following data using bar graph. Then I will use my ruler and my pencil to draw this bar graph. We have an empty grid. Then we need to draw first, yes, our axis. And before we draw our axis, we need to write our title, which is my favorite day. Okay, after we write my title, we draw your first X with the horizontal X, and which is called day. Then write down here day. Okay, then write down Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and make a space between each day. Friday, make a space, Saturday, make a space, Sunday, make a space, Monday, make a space, and Tuesday. On our vertical X, we have number of friends. Then we will use my ruler, yes, and my pencil to draw this X, which is called number of friends. Now, let's go to label this X. We have here a scale of what? We have 80, 40, 70, 30, and 20. The scale is scale of what? Good job, scale of 10. We're moving by 10. Then on this X, beginning from 0, put a scale of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Now let's go to represent our data using bar graph. First day here we have Friday. We have 80 friends love this day. Then we'll go to our graph and put our finger here and up until we reach 80. Then draw our bar graph using our pencil and our ruler. Then next day, which is Saturday, we have 40 friends like this day. Then go to our graph and put our finger here on Saturday and up until you reach 40. Then draw our bar graph. Then next one, we have Sunday. We have 70 friends like this day. Then go to our graph to put your finger here and up until 70. Then draw our graph, our bar using our ruler and pencil. Next one, we have Monday. We have 30 friends like this day. Then go to our graph, put your finger here and up until you reach 30. Then draw your graph. And the last one, which we have Tuesday. We have 20 friends like this day. Then go to our graph and put your finger here and up until you reach 20. Then draw this bar. After you finishing drawing these bars, color them in your favorite color. Then we are finished now. Thank you. We have a more exercise number 5. Notice then answer the question. Okay, from my favorite sport graph, we have in page 10, we have a graph like this. We draw before my favorite sport, which is called about sport, told us about sport and the number of kids. We have here, first one, how many kids like tennis? Best. Best means more, means the greatest number. Okay, tennis. Okay, we have tennis here. Yes, point at tennis here, which is how many people? Yes, which is 5. Then we have here 5 kids like tennis. Then we will write down here 5. Number 2, how many kids like swimming? Best. Go to our graph and point to swimming, which is how many kids? Yes, it will be 7 kids. Then we'll write down here 7. Third one we have, which sport is liked the most? Which one of this sport is liked the most? Football or swimming or baseball or basketball or tennis? Then it will be, the most one, it will be football. Yes, the largest one, okay? It will be football. Number 4, which sport is like the least? The smallest number of kids like it, which is, yes, which one of these sports? We have the smallest bar here, which is baseball. We will point to baseball, which is 3 kids only like it. It will be baseball. Now we have in number 5, how many kids like baseball and tennis all together? We have learned before in primary 2, the word all together means plus or minus. Yes, it means plus. Then baseball and tennis means all together means we will add baseball and tennis, okay, together. Then we will go to our graph. Baseball, how many? It will be 3. And tennis, how many? It will be 5. Then we will put plus between them. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Good job. Next one and the last one, it will be how many more kids like football than basketball? When we say more than, we will notice that in primary 2 it means subtraction. The bigger minus the smaller. Football, it will be the bigger than basketball. If you notice that in our laps, it will be football how many? It will be 9. And basketball how many? It will be 6. Then we will do here which operation? It will be minus. 9 minus 6 equals what? It will be 3. Good job. Thank you. Good job. Goodbye.